Hello. As part of our European travels, and also because we're foodies, we feel it our sole responsibility to enlighten you on the best way to have food in Budapest, and also where to eat and what to eat. So we're going to tell you exactly, and I mean exactly, where to go and what to order. No, just kidding. You actually can't do it that way, and whoever tells you that is pulling your leg. The way you do it is you develop an idea of where you're likely to get good food, what to look for, and what signs to observe for. Sort of like divine the right restaurant, the right place to eat, the right dish. So we're going to do our best to teach you a little bit about these things. Gina's a chef. I love good food, so between the two of us, I think we'll do a usable job for you.
Yes, you can eat at markets. Quite often very good eats. We mention this first because most people overlook this straight away and never even think about it.
Behind me, right there, is a market. We actually just been in there. We had our lunch, and you can easily stuff yourself full with about €5 per head.
Really, really, really good.
I'm going to see if I can pronounce the name for you. Here we go. It is Fehérvári Úti Vásárcsarnok.
Fehérvári Úti Vásárcsarnok, but she's doing good.
Anyway, here's a Google picture for you to find this place here. If you want quick and easy, local, traditional food, best choice are the markets. There are quite a few of them around. It's easy to Google, and there's always one near you. Now, when you're finished in the food hall, you have the option of going downstairs, and there you will find sweets, salamis, cured meats, and lots of other yummies for you to take home. And don't forget the paprika and the pickles and the breads and the pastries. The list goes on and on and on. Langosh is Hungary's answer to pizza. The bread is deep fried and the traditional toppings are garlic, sour cream and cheese. Very tasty, definitely yum. However, you can also find numerous other flavours including Nutella, strawberries, chocolate and cream, to name a few.
Most tourists land in a new place itching to get into the food of the region. They will immediately dive into the nearest restaurant that looks great, has got a wonderful name, or promises the world. This can result in a good meal. However, more often, you end up pretty much getting fleeced in a tourist trap. So let us give you a few pointers where you can find better food prepared with love by locals for a lot less money.
Avoid restaurants in squares near attractions. These are usually tourist traps, ready to fleece you. Look at the restaurant before going in. Are they busy or are they empty? If empty, during mealtimes, there is usually a reason. Look at the people in the restaurant. Are they happy? Do they have food, or is everyone still waiting? If they're still waiting, it's usually an indicator that the service is slow or food is still being caught or collected.
Or chased down the road by trucks. We're going to edit this, right?
If still in doubt, check with Google or TripAdvisor to see what is trending. Most popular question is best places to eat where the locals go. Behind me is Gundel's.
There are two institutions that we can heartily recommend, and one of them is Gundel's. That looks pretty good. Some fresh hot baked breads and a little smoked butter in the shape of an elephant. Thank you.
Thank you. So we have crayfish volute with a prawn chip.
Show us. It's a prawn chip. And I've got goulash soup, which is an actual soup. It's not a... So there's chicken ragu with a parsnip and parsley cream, and there's a chicken, an egg yolk in the middle. That is Gina's pork belly. My second bit of chicken with the gnocchi.
Noodles.
And there's Gina's salad with a sour cream separate. The Gundel family have been pioneers of gastronomy since the 1800s and have gained an impressive following.
New York Cafe is one of our favourite places to enjoy a coffee and cake, afternoon tea or even a meal. It is known as the world's most beautiful cafe. If you would like to step back into time, we would definitely recommend for you to add this cafe to your must-see and experience.
Now there's another category of restaurants which is actually not really a restaurant. It's more of a restaurant type situation for locals, and that's diners. These specialise in serving local food to local people. They are almost always off the beaten track, usually a few blocks behind any touristy or business areas. They are designed to be accessible and cheap for local people. That does not mean they don't have good food. We have dined at a number of these that were excellent, and you can stuff yourself to the gills.
So we got about €8 worth of food.
So it's a liver dumpling soup, goulash soup with beans, that's the spinach, and it's a fried meat pancake.
Okay, so what we have here is veal paprikash or veal with a paprika sauce, and gnocchi, which is their noodle, and we have a pickle, cucumber pickle with sour cream on top.
Okay, and mine is a catfish paprikash.
Yeah.
That's a bit of a schnitzel. And that's tripe for the dentist. And this cost a grand total, including the soups, of about €10. And this was a la carte.
So some traditional Hungarian dishes we got. This is lechor. This one is a capsicum stew with lots of tomatoes because it's a winter one. That is Turk furzelik, so it's a squash.
Spaghetti squash.
She's got dill in it, and it's got a meatball, Hungarian style in it. So the meatball is like fried up, and it's got a lot of paprika in it.
Mushroom.
Fried mushroom.
Some potato and that. Look at the size of that bloody donut. And emperor crumbs with apricot. Salmos.
Samosh.
This is Shamos. We're about to go in. This is one of our favourite places. Come with me. Okay, so what we have here is a chestnut mousse. Eager to try. And a vanilla slice. Hungarian style. This is the other Samosh. We're going in.
This menu is good.
It's too good.
Yeah. This is not a place you come to diet.
Okay, so this is layers of walnut cake with a cream. I think that's vanilla cream.
It's called the Estet Hussy cake,
Yeah, okay.
and that is the epic cream slice. That's pretty much the best you can get anywhere.
That's we've had.
And we've had it in France and many other places too. This is like, yeah, good. And this is a plum dumpling cake. I'll be reporting on this one because it's interesting.
I can't speak highly.
She loves it. I'm going to see how it goes. Orange tuna and quite an awesome bunch. That was really good. It's like 10 out of 10.
Oh my god.